Chris versus Dean and George. Stand by for court number 2. Court number 8, Odimar and Drucker versus Richard and Victor. Court number 8. Court number 8, Odimar and Drucker. Court number 8. Court number 5, Mark Anthony Porto, Verhel Reyta versus Mark Abarca and Arnel Lamoste. Court number 5. Court number 5, Mark Anthony and Verhel versus Mark Abarca and Arnel Lamoste for court number 5. Number 7, John Bequilia, Gabriel Isidro versus Levi Sebastian and Alistair Bonsai for court number 7. John Dimitri, Gabriel Paulo versus Levi and Alistair for court number 7. Court number 2, Natch and Chris versus Dean and George for court number 2. Number 2, Natch and Chris versus Dean and George for court number 2. Stand by for court number 4, Ivan and Bart versus Hermes and Raymond for court number 4. Stand by. Stand by for court number 6, Jansen and Kit versus Cedric and Uriel. Stand by for court number 6.
Hi guys, our sponsor Remax Incorporated will be raffling a badminton bag and a badminton racket later on. So all you need to do is go to their booth. They'll explain all the details of the raffle draw later. So remember to visit their booth. With SPR team, just visit the booth of Remax. I repeat, Remax Incorporated. They will be having a raffle draw, and the prizes are badminton bag and a badminton racket. Come on guys, let's visit it.
Angelo Sabanal, Ariel Esguera versus Alvin and Gideon. Court number 7. Court number 7, Angelo and Ariel versus Alvin and Gideon. Court number 7.